What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today we've got this piece of London plane, 3 inches deep, 5 inches across. We're going to turn some incense plates from this, so hopefully get 3 of them out of this piece and have some fun with that. So I got this inspiration from my buddy Hodge over at Hodgepodge Woodworks. I'll put a link to his information down below, so check him out if you have not. He does some great things. This is just a quick little thing that you can make. They're relatively simple and they sell pretty well. So just little incense plates to hold sticks of incense or pieces of incense if people want to use them. So without any further ado, let's get going. everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little piece of turning. So what we did was we took that London plain block that was 3 inches deep, 5 inches across. It's a piece I got in Minnesota when we were up buying my wife's vehicle. Picked that up and had never turned any London plain, so picked that up and wanted to go with it. So we got our 3 incense platters out of it. So they are obviously not real big, but that's not the point. The point is to have something you can put a stick of incense in to hold it and catch the ashes. So I have a few rings. There's some really interesting engraining in this. Really happy and really excited with how that turned out. So that's the one I put with the beauty rings in. This is the one that we did that was a little thicker. Had some really nice character with the darker parts of the inclusion. So I wanted to leave the dish a little chunkier as well. With just nice smooth edges and wrap around on the lip, just being nice and smooth all the way around. And then our first one we did, those two we did in Mahoney's walnut oil finish. This was with Brad's Tung Wax finish. Did the black inlays for the cracks and the little inclusion there. The 2 of those. Did the black CA glue from Starbond. There's a link down below in the description for with coupon code DD15. You get 15% off. But we got those in and drilled out, of course, each one of them to hold the stick of incense. So this holds a stick of incense pretty well. I'm really happy with how these turned out, and I'm going to keep making more of them. These are good sellers at a low starting point for the prices for your craft fairs and things like that. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment down below. Make sure and share this with your friends so that they can see what we're doing over here, and tell them to come over and join the party over here at Tournage du Bois. At any rate, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you next time.